Recently, I come across a few YouTube videos about Lunchables and Lunchly, mostly Lunchly, and they've been getting a lot of attention online. And unfortunately, it's not been positive at all. And the things that have been said about these two companies is relatively not that surprising. But the fact that people have come now to realize that these companies are just the worst, and of course, the products that they produce, it just shows a level of carelessness, and it shows specifically the facade that both of these companies have been pushing when they've been making so much money because of customers that have no idea about their particular products and just buy them anyway. Look, I don't even know where to begin with this, and like I'm gonna repeat again, everybody under the sun has been talking about this topic, and it is a serious issue that has left me and possibly many other people questioning like the lack of quality control and even the nutrition of some of these, at these meal kits. And I'm gonna let you take a look at a screenshot, which I got here on my computer now. Um, so first, we're gonna take a look at the pizza. So Lunchly, the pizza and Lunchables, the pizza with pepperoni meal kit with Capri Sun fruit punch, drink and crunch candy bar. Okay, and the Lunchly comes with the Feastables chocolate bar from MrBeast. So we got here protein, calories, electrolytes, and sugar. Now it says here that we got 12 grams of protein, 360 calories per package, and electrolytes, 400 milligrams of of electrolytes in each Lunchly package, and 12 grams of sugar. And as you can see, the Lunchables beats it, but um, I'm gonna be completely honest when I say that these numbers are probably fabricated and wrong, because it's probably the same amount of sugar as you could get in a Lunchable. There's no mistaking that at all. There really isn't. And you advertise this as a healthy alternative. You really need to rethink the marketing as well. Now, I know I'm not the target demographic for these meal kits. I'll be honest with you. I don't even really care about these things. But um but I'm going to speak about this because there is a serious problem when it comes to the marketing. And I'll be honest with you, the marketing campaigns trick you into thinking they are a quick and nutritious meal that you can take with you on the go. And in fact, they're not. And considering that, that these products are filled to the brim, I would say, with one snack, one drink, and then I guess like nachos or whatever other meal you get with this, which is pizza, nachos, whatever they put in there, and they make it in a factory, speaks volumes.
Kids. However, it's been known, especially by experts, that while these kits are fun and tasty, their nutritional value is just not good. They're often too high in sodium, saturated fat, and added sugars, and don't use healthy whole food ingredients. And because they fall into the category of ultra-processed foods, they aren't healthy to consume often, period. Studies actually show that those consuming high amounts of UPFs can have up to 50% higher risk of developing obesity, and some specific UPFs are linked to increases in cancer. I see it even in my clinic. So many of my pediatric patients are over-consuming UPFs, and it's becoming a growing problem across the country. Consumer Reports even dedicated a special feature highlighting the problems with Lunchables and why they shouldn't be consumed regularly due to health risks.
You need to beware of these products because, you know, potentially, you know, there's lead and, you know, metals in there, but the complete lack of integrity, the complete lack of awareness when it comes to advertising for these things to make them seem like they're the healthy alternative. This is what boggles my mind because they're not. Because at the end of the day, you're really just getting more sugar. You're really just getting more sodium. These particular meal kits are.
Lunchly versus Lunchables.
With Lunchly, you get double the amount of liquid.
Prime has no sugar added, more electrolytes, and more B vitamins.
Crunch Bar. Feastables Crunch Bar. Our pizza uses real cheese. Theirs, as it says on their box, is mozzarella pasteurized prepared cheese product. They can't even call it real cheese. We're also 30 less calories, 3 less grams of fat, and 8 less grams of sugar. Turkey Stacko, 310 calories.
230 calories.
21 grams of sugar.
Only 7 grams of sugar.
If you look at this close up, you can already tell which one has better ingredients. All right, we'll start off with the Lunchables.
Bro, I'm sorry, that's trash. All right, now we're trying Lunchly. Come on. We're not biased at all, but ours is way better.
Fiesta Nachos, 22 grams of sugar.
10 grams of sugar.
7 grams of protein.
9 grams of protein.
Come in close and look at the queso cheese in Lunchly versus whatever that is. Drip versus stick. I like my cheese drippy. Look at the consistency, the texture. And this is Lunchables. Look, it's watery. I can't even look at that. With 400 milligrams of electrolytes, my God!
And it's available for around $4. Super affordable. Go give it a try.
Look, they're a company at the end of the day, looking to make a profit. But I'm gonna say this truthfully, and I'm going to make sure I don't stumble upon my words. It's time that these companies really prioritize the safety and transparency when it comes to their products, and the complete lack of respect and integrity that comes with doing these products now is something that's gonna bite them in the future, because one day there's gonna be a day that one person is gonna end up in the hospital because of one of these particular meal kits, because they were not careful, because of the lead content, you know, the chemical and metal content in there, or the cheese content that becomes mold, and they were not careful with it. And the last thing that you want to do is to set up a statement saying that, you know, that the products are just the way they are, and you know, there hasn't been any complaints about these products. That's the last thing that you want in your minds. So at the end of the day, you know, they're a company that's trying to make money, but reevaluate and rethink what you're doing here,